So, Tarja, how do cultural values and societal norms influence what we consider ethical AI? Can a global AI system respect local values?
No, this is a great question, and kind of, echoing everybody who has been talking here on this panel and even before, we are in such an early stage of this transformation, and the data shows right now like over 90% of the companies, I always put that company leadership hat on, 90% of the companies are saying, yes, we need to implement everything on their workforce right now. However, when we ask leaders how ready they feel, only 2% say they're ready. And that really shows how early we are. So with the cultural, we have universal cultural principles that we want to follow, but then every company has their own. And right now, I think the leaders really need to stop and start understanding those invisible cultural cues we have, and as well our invisible intelligence, like I like to call ethics, our empathy, really much what the culture is built on, because that will also affect how are we building now AI agents, digital counterparts, and bringing this technology into our daily workflow. So my background is actually in shipbuilding. I'm from Finland, and we brought lean methodologies into incredibly big projects, and yes, we thought it's all about productivity and having that technology and methods embedded into a new way of doing. But at the end of the day, it was the culture, it was the people. Am I willing to take new things, new ways of doing, when I still need to be doing everyday operations and now designing future? So the big question is right now with the culture as well, that we are willing to take that into our daily life, and if we are willing, are we able to do? And now the technology comes with the tools and support, and I'm very big advocate of education, that we all need to be educating ourselves from the mailroom to the boardroom. That way we can embed that culture into the technology.